Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to define frame section in Etabs. In our buildings we have two different types of concrete dimension because the axial load is more and in basement. That's why the column base section is larger than other. So we have to go to define section property, frame section, and choose the types of rectangular. We have concrete column, modify property name, change to C 80 by 80, and material is 35. Also section shape is concrete rectangular. Section dimension is depth 80 100 millimeter by 80 100 millimeter. Modifier for concrete column is 0.7. It's discussed in ACI code. Okay. Reinforcement concrete, reinforcement bar is design types column and longitudinal bar or confined bar styles. Both of them use FY for 420 megapascal compressive tensile, and the longitudinal bar confined bar is default. Okay. And we have to add a copy of property of column sections and change the dimension only. Change the name to 60 by 60 and the dimension 600 by 600. All data is same, the property modifier. Okay. Then we are going to define the column concrete beam. Modify beam dimension is 60 by 40 centimeter and material type is 28 megapascal. The depth is 600 millimeter and width is 400 millimeter. Property modifier for beam and horizontal member is 0.35, 0.35, 0.35. Okay. Reinforcement is top cover and bottom cover. Let's as default. Okay. Then okay. We have done.